Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Yaris front wipers. This guide will help you replace them quickly and efficiently. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the ignition turned off. Always check your owner's manual for the correct wiper blade size, which is typically 24 inches for the driver's side and 14 inches for the passenger side. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Look for a small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the hook. Be very careful to gently lower the arm back down to prevent it from snapping onto and potentially cracking your windshield. Installing your new wiper blades is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Carefully and gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Remember to repeat these simple steps for the second front wiper blade to ensure both are properly installed. Finally, it's time to test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the wipers. Observe their performance closely. They should move smoothly and clear the windshield without leaving any streaks or missed spots. Ensure both blades cover their full sweep area effectively. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your front wipers. Don't forget to properly dispose of your old blades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.